The ocean covers most of Earth, yet humans have explored only a small fraction of it, leaving vast regions beneath the surface still completely unknown. What lies in these depths remains one of the greatest mysteries of our planet. And in the deepest regions, it is even possible that something enormous is still hidden beyond our current understanding. The deeper we go, the more the ocean transforms into a world that feels separate from everything we know on land. The deep sea is unlike anything found on the surface, a place of total darkness where sunlight never reaches, and where pressure becomes powerful enough to crush most known life instantly. Temperatures drop close to freezing, oxygen is limited. Now, food sources are extremely rare, creating one of the harshest environments on Earth. In such extreme conditions, visibility becomes almost non-existent, meaning anything living there can remain hidden for incredibly long periods. Over the years, submarines, sonar systems, deep-sea sensors have recorded unusual readings beneath the ocean that continue to puzzle researchers. These include massive moving shapes, unidentified underwater anomalies, and signals that do not match any known marine life behavior. Some of these readings suggest objects far larger than any documented sea creature, while others appear to move in patterns that do not fit natural explanations. While many of these detections are eventually explained as geological formations, shifting currents, or technical errors in equipment, a small number remain unresolved. And it is this small percentage of unknowns that continues to drive curiosity, because the deep ocean is still one of the least explored environments on Earth. Every expedition into these regions consistently reveals how much we still do not understand. With each new exploration, scientists continue discovering previously unknown deep-sea species, ranging from small, fragile organisms to strange life forms that appear almost alien in design. Many of these creatures survive in conditions once thought completely impossible for life, including extreme pressure, total darkness, and near-freezing temperatures. These discoveries force scientists to constantly rethink the boundaries of biology and survival. Because if life can exist in such extreme environments, it naturally raises deeper questions about what else might be hiding in the abyss. Some theories suggest the possibility of unknown giant squid species or deep-sea organisms that evolved in complete isolation over millions of years. Others speculate about ancient predators or undiscovered species adapted to conditions in ocean trenches that humans have never directly explored. Even modern sonar technology has detected extremely large moving structures deep beneath the ocean floor that are difficult to classify with current biological or geological models. Although none of these findings have been confirmed as unknown creatures, they continue to generate debate and scientific interest. The uncertainty itself is what keeps the mystery alive, as each unexplained reading suggests there may still be more to discover. Despite advances in mapping technology, vast portions of the ocean remain completely unexplored, especially in deep trenches that extend farther below sea level than mountains rise above it. Entire ecosystems could exist in these isolated regions without any direct contact with human observation. This means life could be developing, adapting, or surviving in ways we have not yet documented. The ocean is not just a body of water, but a layered and complex world where surface life represents only a small portion of its total reality. As depth increases, conditions become more extreme, and the environment becomes increasingly alien compared to anything on land. It is a reminder that Earth still holds environments that feel almost extraterrestrial in nature. So when we consider that new species are still being discovered today, it leads to one powerful and unanswered question. What else could be hiding in the deepest parts of the ocean? The possibility of unknown creatures, massive organisms, or ancient life forms surviving in isolation cannot be completely dismissed because so much of the ocean remains unobserved. The truth is simple. Humanity still does not fully know what lives in the deepest parts of our own planet. And every new discovery reinforces the same reality: we are still exploring, still learning, and still being surprised by what exists beneath the surface. And perhaps the greatest mystery is not what we have found, but how much still remains completely unseen.